Hey guys, I'm Nadine. DISH PrimeTime Anytime recordings only stay in the PrimeTime Anytime folder for up to 8 days. If you want to keep a recording beyond that length of time on your Hopper, it's easy to save it to your DVR. Here's how. Press the DVR button on your remote. Use the arrows on your remote to highlight and select the PrimeTime Anytime tile. Arrow to and select the recording you want to save. Select Save. Or if you want to save an entire series, select Save Series. To find your saved shows, simply click the DVR button on your remote. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.